Welcome back to the channel. I'm just Big Mike's Hoopty Barn. No, you're what?
You're Mopar Joe.
Oh, welcome back to the channel. I'm just Mopar Joe, and this is
Big Mike out here in Hoopty Barn. Twin Joe.
We're looking at his sweet green goblin of a Charger. Hopefully, woo, that's hot light. Hopefully, we'll get to see this thing again soon. So, y'all have to come back for it.
All right, so this here is my green goblin. I've had this car since I was 18 years old. Joe's going to help me get it fixed up till I'm 81 years old. Right, Joe?
That's right. You'll be the fastest grandpa out there.
You betcha.
All right. Well, Mopar's to the front. Big Mike's driving, and we're going deep into the boonies. I've only heard 2 banjos so far, so
You'll be all right. It's a little sketchy.
A little drop off there that would end most men.
Yeah. We're not going out there. We're going around yonder.
Yeah. I saw some copper line coming out of that hill over there.
Oh yeah.
I wasn't sure what that was
about.
about.
Still is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, big truck, little path.
This is better than Duddy's adventure here, man.
Mm-hmm. Where's Duddy when you need him?
Ah, he broke down, flat tire. Oh yeah.
Old Vanessa ain't scared of it. She'll go. Here's our west pasture.
You got to get here somehow.
Yeah.
Man, they're gonna be seasick.
Oh, we're just getting started. Yeah, so this is my little west pasture. This one's only about 7-8 acres.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna head back into the woods. Bet you didn't know you were going to come out here and have fun like this.
That's right. Ooh. Don't crack the windshield.
It's already cracked. I wondered why. Huh. There's a deer stand up there.
Yep.
Weird.
Yep. Poachers, man. Poachers.
Yeah, usually we drive the 4-wheelers out here. Not the big truck, but yeah, it's already scratched. I'm going to need you to do me a favor here in just a second.
Okay.
I'm going to need you to roll down the window and pull that mirror in, because that's the only way we'll fit in between these 2 trees on the fence. Right there.
All right.
Got to back up here so I can get lined up beside the fence. It's a little bit of a tight fit.
They don't lose a tire.
I've done this time before. And like a glove.
Man.
Okay, you can put her back out now.
Uh-huh. I'll get past that tree at least. All right, there's.
All right.
Dude, that's.
Oh, this is a little bit steep here. Wow. Yep.
Oh, man.
Down to another ridge down yonder, but then we'd have to turn around down there. But around this little one here. We're almost back home.
Nothing to it.
Yeah, nothing to it but to do it.
We don't have hills where I'm from, man. It's all flat.
Yeah, we have them. I don't pay much attention.
Right. Oh, that one. There we go. Oh, get you some.
We're back in the pasture.
Right.
Wasn't that fun? Back through the hay fields.
This truck is actually Super Duty. Okay.
It is.
It's proved it today.
It has to be Super Duty for Big Mike, because Big Mike ain't got no sense. I drive it like I stole it.
Yeah, man.
Or like I paid for it.
There you go.
Yeah, there's a few little dipsy doodles here too. Upper East pasture.
Uh-huh.
One of the horse pens. And the sketchy driveway. You thought the other driveway was sketchy. This is one we let the neighbors use. Aren't we good neighbors?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, make that song. Alright. Oh.